Hello everybody. My name is Anindya Banerjee and I am working as a technical director for Veritas Technologies. I also serve as a member of the SNIA India Technical Council. In this short session, I intend to give you a preview of what you can expect to see in track 2 of day 1, which is December 4th of the Storage Developer Conference in India. I'll be providing a brief insight into all the speakers and topics to track 2 on the agenda, along with some additional information to help you get the most out of this virtual conference. Before you get started, if you want to get access to the agenda or find out where to get more information, here are all the links that you need. Track 2 starts at 11:10 a.m. with a look at computational storage. People from NGD systems will educate us that the market needs a new way to look at storage and will explain what computational storage is. It will also cover why is it fundamental to the future of storage in meeting the demanding needs of future applications. We will then have a series of 4 presentations on artificial intelligence and machine learning, but they cover very different viewpoints. To start with, we are very pleased to welcome RV College of Engineering to SDC, and we hope this will be a catalyst for many more academic institutions to submit proposals for SDC. RV College will provide a technical presentation that examines the challenges of SQL and looks at whether machine learning can be used to develop a natural language for SQL. Next, we have NetApp, who will look at the journey to smartness in data protection. This covers how machine learning can be used to improve simplicity and making smart decisions in data protection tasks. Then at 12:55 p.m., MCS Technologies will take a fascinating look at how we can use quartz glass as a warm media for archival storage and how machine learning algorithms can be used to reduce the lag time to retrieve information from quartz glass. The series round off with presenters from HPE who will cover customer IO workload simulation using AI/ML. We will learn how we can simulate customer IO patterns to replicate their environment using ML algorithms in order to capture and predict data patterns. Continuing into afternoon sessions, which starts at 14:05, we have folks from Nutanix who will cover 2 sessions on hyper-converged infrastructure. The first one will address high-performance data replication. We will look at the various challenges of designing data replication in HCI environments and how adaptive feedback mechanisms can provide data replication with quality of service. Continuing on with data replication only, the second session will cover HCI performance innovations such as block store, SPDK, and RDMA. At 15:15, we switch to storage performance as a subject, and we will hear from Samsung how we can look into production issues with real workload emulation. This presentation will start by comparing traditional architectures with HCI and composable infrastructures, and then move on to benefits of software-defined storage and whether composable infrastructures can be useful. Continuing on, the next 2 sessions are related to containers. We will start with IBM, which will cover secure data sharing using persistent storage and will also include pod security and security enhanced Linux. That will be followed by a presentation from Dell, which will introduce us how to perform device simulation at scale using containers with Xeon to create a real work lab environment. At 5 p.m., Xilinx will move into the subject of solid-state storage or SSDs with a look at smart NICs and smart SSDs and the future of smart acceleration. I must say, this was a highly rated presentation from SNIA's SDC in the US, and highly recommend you to take out time to watch this session. Then we'll cover a subject that is very relevant, which is ransomware. We all are very much aware of it. We are all very much scared of it. And Eric Hubbard will share his thoughts on definitions and types of malware, and will also provide us valuable tips on how to minimize the risks. Moving on, The final section presentation of the day provides a lead into the persistent memory hackathon. This SNIA presentation from Alex McDonald was highly rated as SDC in EMEA and provides a very nice educational insight into what persistent memory is and the benefits it will bring. If you are thinking of joining the hackathon session but not sure about what persistent memory is, then please watch this session. Once the session is over, the persistent memory hackathon will be open. Here is a link to access it. You are invited to view the tutorial video and then follow the instructions to access the library and learn how to program persistent memory. I'll conclude with some pointers to getting the most out of SDC India as a virtual conference. Please don't forget to rate the sessions. Your feedback is vital information for us in determining topics and speakers for future conferences. Explore the platform, use all the available features, meet your old friends, make some new ones, and enjoy the learning experience of SDC India. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the conference.